Hazrat Jarir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu narrates that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, "Won't you delight me by tearing Zul Khalasa down?" It was a house in the tribe Hatham called Kaaba Yamaniya. So I, accompanied by 150 riders of the tribe Ahmas, set out. They were all night riders, whereas I could not sit firm on a horse. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam struck my chest with his hand, whose impression I watched on my chest, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make him sit firm as well as make him a guiding and a guided one. So he ventured towards it, set it to fire after raking it. Thereafter he dispatched a messenger to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The messenger of Hazrat Jarir radiyallahu anhu said, "By him who has sent you with truth, when I set out from there, it had become black after being burnt like a scabby camel." The transmitter narrates, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked blessing 5 times for the people and the horses of the tribe Ahmas. Sahih Bukhari 4356.